Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Umpohliew society kabade kawe na kakinhun tremon ngobha kabadan kinong yatrelang kentup ikirangba abat samla na kasnong malki kalalet ban ai ngobha daki Shatri na kabanta barok ki Khynnah Skul kinong Nonghikai bat Nonghiarap jong ka Little Flower Secondary School kabadan hamalki ya kan kakinhun na yalam da uba MH Assembly ubade chairman uba hilarious harbi Q ubade secretary ba san penyar mukhim ubade publicity secretary ba crowd sheng ubade advisor ringkat kinongkit kam bat kidkhot jong ka Umpohliew society kani ka society gade ka blessing kerpang ha kasnong malki banyadan bentalang ban kner ki kam trimon ngobha ha imlang ka salang ha posnong ka principal ka school ka sister Mary Stella Dakhar kala ai khuble yakni ka kinhun ka bala banyarap hala ijong ibor shaki Khynnah School kabla long da shisha ka jing mentoi ba jing kar khu ki Khynnah School khamtam e hakum kani ka por namar buon ki Khynnah pulia jong ka school ki don kam shisha ki bakum kini ki Jingïarap la kalong hak bakum kanu kanu rukom uba MH ba jing kran ulong ba kani ga day tang ka kam yarap ngobha na ka benta ki Khynnah School namar hakum kani ka ayom lior ki Khynnah ki don kam mi ki Jingïada khamtam hakum kani ka por slap barwala kani ka day tang ka barit hendai kan long ka jing mentoi pat na ka benta ki Khynnah uba MH ulapin pawe ka jing ai khuble ki nong penyat jong ka school ki blap dyang ka jing terwa jong ka society ringkat ka jing ketbok bakani ka school kan kiu shajrong bat baki Khynnah kin mentoi ka jing pulie banlong ka buram ka school ka shnong bat ka jai benrio la yoru ka jing kran no advisor uba crowd shing ulapin pawe ka jing smokman banyadan bentalang hakani ka program bat kunturu Khynnah School ban minot ha ki jing pulie khamtam hakani ka jok jong ka jing khun banlong ki nong job
I request the class teachers of class 4 to class 9 of both sections to kindly come forward.
Translate di sama lain kan? Terima kasih kan? Kok mana kan Hima?
but they came one day with this idea that they want to distribute umbrella to the children, and whether we will accept this idea of their generosity. I was overwhelmed, and I was taken up by their thoughtfulness to come to our school, or to have chosen our school to distribute umbrella to all our students. And I would say that while standing here and looking at our students, eagerly waiting to receive an umbrella, you have brought a smile on their face. And I am so thankful to all of you, to your society especially, for coming up with this idea to help students, to help people of Malki. And they said that since their society is based at Malki, and most of the members are from Malki, they said that they want to help people of Malki. They want to uplift people of Malki. And that's the reason they have chosen Middle Class Secondary School Malki as one of their areas where they would love to render this act of generosity. So thank you so much to the Umpohliew Society. We have no words to express our gratitude to you, but just a big thank you and assurance of our prayers and blessing. And I pray that God will continue to bless your society so that you can continue to carry the good works that you have begun. So thank you so much. And may I ask every student to stand up, those who are sitting down, to pay.
You must work hard, and you must do more than simply hope. If you want to achieve the good things, you must start now. Never put off until tomorrow the things you could do today. Tomorrow may be too late, and tomorrow will come again, and you will never catch it again. So today, when try to come, that they will put in another part of the tower of the side. Number one is small. Number two is to play a proper, and number one is no God. If you don't be able to help, you can do it small day, but you have not got to let no mental on the proper, the number one cut off. Let no mental what up on the side. Number kata the church, your second one to the side. Number kata, you have about 50 left, that I got to make it go on. They are the Parok Chungai, Mahashwa, the Hagaway, but the Khynnah Skul, Umpohliew. Number two, Halley Paul Jockey, number of Canada and God class, the Hebrew Society is unique and stand and get Paul and Atukali, you represent the Capital Hard, there's no Jingïarap or Monkey, but you represent who but great Jingïarap. You have another Jingïarap, you have Salah, but Mental you don't have the school Jockey. Nagamta ini juga sebuah kebetulan juri nagamta juri we lalu itu kita sambut boleh lalu itu kita sambut kita juri kelas 10 baru juga sebuah Nonghikai laai yang servis kejuri yang bor perkat kejuri nagamta mismuri pada orang dan juri nagamta kejuri dimana kita juga sebuah kebetulan juri ni syukur lagi yang subah lagi lagalo kabar nai om de koi pat pada aj de society di kapal le le kapal chupo no sekendau dan program mereka namar pada namar ki baik om de komni pat kentai de subah da dol kabukum kata ma ini parma la dol kabukum kata ka semua kajopi lagalo kapi di Skul Lagalong na email pa joki, na Hima na joki, lalu firu Nonghikai, na don keru kecil bakla, na kecil pampian ha, na kecil sal kecil kiri kecil sebuah joki, lalu fisu bakal kualiti juga na kecil aja joki, na kebang don kumpul Nonghikai society dekat dengan joka, ini parma, parma lupa ini, tak tidak.
I would like to say, we love you all. And I would like to hear back from you, sing the same word. We love you all. always remember Jesus loved you. I am so glad to be here on behalf of Umpohliew Society. I would like to introduce myself. I am Shatri from Malkitsa. I am the Assistant General Secretary of Umpohliew Society. So students, in Nonghikai, we all know two things. The hills are beautiful and the rain loves us a little too much. Sometimes it comes when you are walking to school and sometimes when playing. That is why Umpohliew Society are here, and we would like to give you all a small gift, that is the umbrella. Can someone please?
I would like to speak in Khasi language, since it is our language has been recognized. So I would like to share something which is special for me because I'm the principal of the school. So I would like to speak. I would like to give some speech in Khasi. English pun, if you borrow. Khynnah, Khynnah, Hima. Ngadi way possible to the school. Ngadi Maria Sensing, the past name Arjanrio, the school. No new line of PMP, you the past money July, but Khynnah, but you. Pinjai Kristom, como Freddy, but the yo young in the sun, como Gillian, Hangimta. Now, when share here, have by day, but school, Jingïarap school, but you. Hakpo when you want to school in the shop, you don't take more PMP. Kano jikuman ke jihon ko siap when you open yang session. Ya fi, you don't bagi pet ke image jom pet ke dol jom. Ya fi. Te kano ngamla aben express ke jikuman jama. Bukan yo banyak. When I speech, short speech from my side. Nakaliang jangan I short speech. Hang beri, but Khynnah, but kalawai jupi. Kani ke school kalau Kapin mandul babun Khynnah tangena tinggi pasal dia but kapin mandul iway kibadan kani sekolah jingi kawai kani sekolah ka nginget lagi baru mensyaf kamarki kadita ko ini sekolah bagi snow jan but baru kinamarki sunat banwan kani sekolah hidakai ni musya ni tamba ya sekolah ni yai buram ye Nonghikai ni buram Nonghikai ni buram Iway, Khynnah Skul. Limbang pada society ngayo dengan yang begini. Kau Umpohliew society ini, kadai ka society bagi distinction bagi perkat kumno bagi la bukan ai no senyang. Kat kepala kat kebayai jungi. Ye Khynnah jok sedang mati jungi. Hadir bagi leadership meeting jilang jungi. Ini perkat bagi ai. Aku gini kual lagi kadai kual bagi Islam. Yo Paul bagi Islam wanga bagi Paul dan Paul bagi Khynnah ba Paul di Indonesia nimdan Shatri mon school di Hima tinggi semua alis Paul baret in IT di Shatri tengta ilaya rai pun meeting but limbang jindal lang jing ibai ni iba pen wandol bai kadi iba emha lang simli di ibai iba pen wandol yang kadi but penolong yang ketiga program ji kabaret bengila benai benok senyang ipi iwei di jingai baret jungi te ngakwa hi ba amba